In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to your Shopify store. We'll walk through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can get everything connected correctly and start using AI inside your store with confidence. This can be a great way to save time on writing, customer communication, and content creation. But it's important to set it up carefully so the results match your brand and business needs. To begin, sign in to your Shopify store. Make sure you're using the store where you want the AI tool installed, since all of the setup and permissions will happen inside that account. Once you're in, open the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find apps designed to extend what your store can do, including tools that integrate with ChatGPT or OpenAI. In the App Store, search for a trusted ChatGPT or OpenAI integration app. You may see several options, so don't rush this part. The app you choose will affect your workflow, features, and overall experience. Before installing anything, take a moment to review the app's developer, permissions, pricing, and customer ratings. This step helps you avoid unreliable tools and gives you a better idea of what the app can access in your store. It's also useful to check whether the pricing fits your budget and whether other Shopify users have had a good experience with it. After that, install the app you've selected in your Shopify store. During installation, Shopify may show a permissions screen. Read through it carefully so you understand what the app will be able to do. Next, connect your OpenAI account or enter an OpenAI API key if the app requires one. Follow the prompts provided by the app and be careful when entering credentials so the connection works properly. If the app offers a verification step, complete that before moving on. Once connected, choose how you want to use ChatGPT in your store. For example, you might use it to write product descriptions, answer customer questions, or create marketing content. Pick the use cases that are most helpful for your business so the tool supports your actual day-to-day work. Then configure the app's tone, language, and response settings. This is an important step because it shapes how the AI sounds and how well it aligns with your brand voice. And if your store has a specific style, try to reflect that here. Now test the integration using a sample product or a sample customer question. This lets you see how the app performs before you rely on it in a live setting. Finally, review all AI-generated content before publishing it. AI can be incredibly helpful, but it still needs human oversight to make sure everything is accurate, clear, and on brand. Once you've done that, you're ready to start using ChatGPT in your Shopify store more effectively.